Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm doing a kind of Christmas get ready with me. Me and my house here at uni are currently making our Christmas dinner and we've made it like a black tie event, so I'm getting ready for dinner. So I thought I'd film it. So I'm also going to answer the Christmas tag questions which I've just found online. So I'm going to answer them as I'm going along. So first thing I'm using on my face is this Bourjois, if it focuses, Bourjois 123 Perfect Foundation. And I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge for that. I just like to spray it with the Urban Decay setting spray first. I think this is the original like all-nighter spray, so I just like spritz. This is quite a full coverage foundation, but I'll probably put some more on. I just like to get it all over my face first and then I sort out like lines, etc. So the first question on the Christmas tag is, what is your favourite Christmas film? My favourite Christmas film is probably Love Actually. I love that kind of era of rom-coms. It's one of my favourite films. And when I say that era of rom-coms, I mean rom-coms that star both Hugh Grant and Colin Firth. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain on my window. You probably can. It has not stopped raining probably in like 10 days here. Actually ridiculous. I'm just going to take that down my neck just to blend it out. Once I put my dress on as well, I'll blend that out more. But we've still got cooking to do, so I didn't want to get in my dress yet. So next I'm going to do concealer, and for that I'm using the Revlon Colour Stay in the shade, I don't know what shade it is, but it's probably the palest one, let's be honest. Just take that under the eyes, just on any blemishes as well. So the next question is, have you ever had a white Christmas? The answer to that is no. I don't think London ever sees snow at Christmas. At least I don't remember ever having snow on Christmas Day. Snow for me normally happens both at home and here, has so far only happened in like February, March kind of time. Sorry if you can hear my housemates. One of them just left their room. Just get a brush out. I already had mascara on from earlier, so I'm trying not to like smudge it because I didn't bother taking it off, so I'm just using, oh my god, that rain's getting heavy. Just using a little brush to buff that out. Then I'm just going to take the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer just on blemishes again, while at the same time as using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder to set my face. Next question is, where do you usually spend the holiday? I normally spend it, I alternate Christmases between my mum and my dad, so normally just at one of their houses and then my grandparents on whichever side I'm on come down. The next question is, what is your favourite Christmas song? My favourite Christmas song is Last Christmas, which I think is by Wham. I got into it a few years ago when Taylor Swift has her version of it on her Christmas album. So I would recommend listening to that, it's really good. So next I'm doing contour, and to start with I'm using this mini Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm just taking that on a Real Techniques brush. I just like to tap it in. Then kind of lightly sketch out where I want it to be, and then just circles. The next question, whilst I'm doing this, is, do you open any presents on Christmas Eve? No, I don't. I actually find it really weird when people do that. We have all of our presents on Christmas Day. So next I'm going to take my Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette, and I'm going to use this colour here for blush. The next question is, can you name all of Santa's reindeer? I did this the other day with with Molly and Ella. Rudolph, Comet, Dancer, Dasher, Prancer, Vixen. I don't know how many reindeer there are, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't think I named all of them. The next question is, what holiday traditions are you looking forward to most this year? I don't really know. I don't know if I have any holiday traditions. I'm just using the Sin highlighter from this palette now. Oh, and the blush is called Score, I forgot to say that. Oop, dropping it. I can't think of any traditions off the top of my head, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna skip that question. Next question is your Christmas tree real or fake? Both of my Christmas trees are fake. Because I have one at my mum's, one at my dad's. My mum's is fake, we've had it for years, and then my dad's was his Christmas present for last year. I bought him a Christmas tree because he had one that was about this big and it was tiny, and now he has a 7-foot Christmas tree. Thanks to me. So both of them are fake. I think real Christmas trees are just very expensive and a lot of maintenance, so we have fake ones. I think Dad put his up the other day because he's away. He sent me a picture of his tree. Ready for Christmas. I don't think Mum's put ours up yet. I don't know if it'll be going up because we're having work done to the house. So apparently the living room is all like covered. Oh, I forgot to say I'm now doing my eyebrows, and I'm using this pencil from Nip and Fab called Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 02 Brown. I got this, ASOS finished their ASOS A-list, so they gave everyone who was on their A-list, which is their like loyalty scheme, all of their points that they had in pounds plus £10, so I bought this and some products from This Works and paid for shipping as well, or the, I think it was like almost 20 quid I had, so that was good. I got them on Black Friday, and I've never tried anything from Nip and Fab before, but I quite like this pencil. I don't normally use pencil, I normally use the pomade from NYX. This eyebrow always goes a funny shape, like the hairs on it. Difficult to sort out. And it also comes with a little spoolie on the other end, if you didn't see. I like to brush them before to get them in a kind of shape I want, and then brush them after just to neaten them up. The next question is, what is your all-time favourite holiday food / sweet treat? Can I just say like the boxes of chocolates you get? I don't know what else. Mince pies, what else is good? So now I'm onto eyes, and I'm taking, upside down, my Urban Decay Naked palette, starting with this shade here, Virgin. Trying to think what other food I like. Red cabbage is really good, and also mulled wine. Can't forget the mulled wine. Next question, question 10, is be honest, do you like giving gifts or receiving gifts better? I actually love giving gifts because I put a lot of time and effort and thought into what I get people, and I really enjoy buying presents for people, so yeah, probably giving. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm just taking the shade here called Naked and putting it on the outer corner and through my crease. I'm also going to take that shade under the eye as well, just on this little elf kind of like flat shader brush. So next I'm going to take Buck, which is a slightly darker matte shade, put it on the outside. I'm kind of going to go in the same place, just building that colour up in the same place but a bit tighter into the socket. So the next question is, what is the best Christmas gift you've ever received? I'm trying to think of Christmas gifts I've had now. I think I've got a lot of concert tickets for Christmas, so probably one of concerts I've been to. Probably, I assume I got One Direction ones one year, must have done. What else have I got for Christmas? My Christmas gift to myself last year was my car. I like my car. That's a difficult question. So I'm now going to take a little pointy brush, which is like my favourite brush to use for like shiny colours. Oh my gosh, you can see the light from my... Okay. Anyway, I'm going to take this gold shade, which is called Half Baked, because it's Christmas. And then just push that onto the eye. Then go back in with my fluffy brush to blend. Take a little bit more of Buck on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take a bit of Buck underneath as well. Then I'm going to take this collection Glam Crystal, it's like a gold one, and I'm just going to pop that first on the inner corner, just to add a bit more glitter. Just to add more attention to the centre, well, the inner So the next question on the list is, what would be your dream place to visit for the holiday season? I honestly don't know. I've been to New York at Christmas, so I've done that one. Obviously been to London at Christmas because I live there. Been in Cardiff at Christmas. I don't really know where else does Christmas well. I mean, I'd be interested to see how LA does Christmas because obviously it's warm over there. I forgot to say I'm now doing eyeliner. I'm just using this NYX felt tip eyeliner. Those aren't the best wings in the world, but they will do. Then I'm just going to take black eyeliner, pop it up in the waterline, well, tight line. So the next question is, are you a pro present wrapper or do you fail miserably? I'm somewhere in the middle. Sometimes I wrap presents really well, sometimes they look a bit rubbish. It just depends on the shape of the present, I think, personally. So next I'm going to take mascara. This one's just one from YSL, I believe. No, Estee Lauder, even. And just pop that on. I've already got some mascara on, so this might get clumpy. As we're still cooking, I'm not going to bother with falsies. If we weren't still cooking, I might have done, but we are. Yeah?
Hello.
Hello. I'm filming me doing my makeup.
I'm going to ask you a really random question.
Yeah.
Have you got any pale foundation that I could borrow a tiny blob of, please?
Yeah?
To put on my hand to mix with mine. Hello, vlog.
Ella's coming.
Need anything of mine? Come ask.
Will do.
Oh, seriously.
Bye bye. So the next question is, most memorable holiday moment? I don't really know. I feel like I remember a lot of different Christmases. One Christmas, I don't even remember that vividly, but a Christmas I remember is my grandparents at their house have like a conservatory out the back of their house and it's got a heated floor and they put the tree in there. I remember sitting on the floor opening presents. That's a holiday memory. Or one year one of my friends had a Christmas Eve party, so we went to his in the evening, and I think we were 16. My grandparents were at the house, and obviously like I was going to a party in the evening. My grandma was like, "Oh, I hope you're not drinking," and obviously I was. So mum hid alcohol for me in a plastic bag underneath like crisps and stuff so that I could get it out without being told off, and without her being told off as well. It's quite funny. Yeah, I think I was 16. I've got to say, I'm putting lip liner on. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Soft Spoken. Next question is, when did you realise the truth about Santa? I really don't know. Maybe like 10 or something. I'm not sure. Don't remember. Do you make New Year's resolutions and do you stick to them? I don't think I really do make New Year's resolutions because I know that I'll never stick to them. So next I'm using this MAC lipstick in Whirl. I'm just gonna kind of dab it on top of the lip liner. Finally, I'm just gonna use my setting mist to set my face. Totally not pointing that at my face. So now I'm just going to go and straighten my hair, and then when I have my dress on I will show you. So this is what I'm wearing to our Christmas meal. It's just a faux suede dress from Nasty Gal. It just looks like this. I got it for my best friend's 21st, which is in December, but I'm going to wear it for, well, we're doing house pictures in formal, and then I think I'll get changed because I don't want to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope you all have a lovely Christmas, and I will see you in my next video.